What's up, guys? I am in Bangkok right now. Back in beautiful Thailand. And I'm going to get my haircut today. As you can see, I'm ready for a haircut. And I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to film it because this dude that I'm going to is a real master. He's going to give me the full treatment, shave, haircut, hot towel, massage, the whole nine. And if I remember right, I think it's only 200 baht, which is like $6 US. I'll make sure that it's edited real clean so you don't watch the whole haircut. It's not gonna be boring, but I want you to see that this guy's a real master. And for that price, that's pretty nice. Okay, so Naya, I'm back in Asia. Let's go have some fun today. I want bacon, egg, Gouda croissants.
Toast for here.
Yes. No, take away. Yes.
And some drink.
Drink venti coffee.
Venti coffee.
Yes. Okay, guys, check this out. We don't have this in United States. Bacon, real egg in there, and Gouda cheese at your local Starbucks in Bangkok. Lovely. So I made it to my barber. He's over here. And it started raining. So we're gonna go figure this out. What's up, brother? How are you? Say hello to everyone. Hello. We're back. So last time I was here, I recorded, but the footage gets erased. So we have to record again.
Hello.
He doesn't know what I'm saying, but you'll see. He's a master. He's very good.
I'ma show you what it is. This is how you live. Cause my game's so sick. This is how you live. I'ma show you what it is. This is how you live. Cause my game's so sick. This is how you live. In a moment, yeah, this the power of now. Once you know your why, trust, you'll forget about how. I don't waste time, I'm dedicated to what counts. GP on the beat with a dope new sound. My backpack, stay equipped with the mobile lab. So every night I can hit the mic and go bad. Give a new meaning to the phrase digital nomad. A rapper on never-ending toll, I never go back. Bouncing back and forth from time.
Okay, so this is the finished product. Very nice. And this is the man who did it. And he charged me only 120 baht. Very good price. Very good job. Thank you.
Let's get the party started right about now. I got love, oh yeah, I got love.